Hey everyone, you said I should visit the Botanic Gardens here in Belfast. So let's take a look. Just walking down Stranmillis Road, Queen's University is just further down the road, but Botanic Gardens should be here on the right. These gardens were established in 1828, so an important part of Belfast's Victorian heritage. In fact, today you'll find lots of residents, students, and tourists use them as a meeting place. As you enter through the grand iron gates, you're greeted by a colourful caravan selling hot drinks and refreshments. There's definitely an autumnal feel in the air. The gardens are a haven for nature enthusiasts, photographers, and anyone seeking a peaceful retreat in the city. Today, the park is popular with residents, students, and visitors and is an important venue for concerts, festivals, and other events. It's also home to the Palm House and Tropical Ravine. If you want to see Belfast from a different viewpoint, I think the panoramic viewing wheel is usually in Botanic Gardens from the start of July till the end of September, but correct me in the comments if you know the exact dates. It is still very mild for autumn, and there are people out enjoying the unseasonable weather. Lots of seating here to relax and read a book with a coffee. These gardens are very popular with tourists. Now let's step into the Palm House. This architectural masterpiece, dating back to the Victorian era, houses tropical and subtropical plants from all over the world. It's like a mini version of London's iconic Kew Gardens Palm House. Belfast Gardens hold their own against famous gardens across Europe like Kew Gardens in London, and what's even better, admission here is free. Let me know in the comments where you think I should visit next. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to be notified of future video uploads. If you find yourself in Belfast, make sure you take a walk through Botanic Gardens. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.